Onyamia ebio, onyamia ebio, onyamia ebio. Onyamia ebio, onyamia ebio, onyamia ebio.
Welcome to Friday.
Atakwame jambo ya dem. I don't need to wait here people. Boy, I need the features to 7. Pushing party 7. Then I did them. Hey, me up from a crumb of some cassa. Nipa da seni dia di fian kasa. Ochene tekune simpwana su here video kasa. O phone pe benyanka wa we ne bo wadaka. Boy, nipa no ubenyanka minika pre yemopa no. I guess if ubenyanka ya hwe asia no. Mo hye da so mo de pem, mo chupan ke be hwe tim. Onyamia ebio, onyamia ebio, onyamia ebio. Onyamia ebio, onyamia ebio, onyamia ebio. Ishira we Ebuso sa nanso atamfunya yanka wada susra ebie shirawo Ebuso sa sorry you was up with now your girl say you was your girl say on trust you your girl say yeah on non sorry
Welcome to Friday.
your girl say you was you. Your bell say on trust you. Your bell said yeah. On that no sorry what then chamwasi. Sorry you won't catch it for him. Sorry you won't catch it for him. Sorry you won't catch it. Nanyanga ebio. Sorry you won't catch it for him. Sorry you won't catch it for him. Sorry you won't catch it. Nanyanga ebio.
Welcome to Friday.
Sorry, so I are Obi are so Atakwame jambo ya dem. I don't know to where you people. Boy, I did the features to 7. Oshini party 7. And then I did them. Hey, me up from a crumb of some kasa. Nipa da seni dia di fian kasa. Ochene tekune simpwana su here video kasa. O phone pe benyanka wa we ne bo wadaka. Boy, nipa no ubenyanka.
Okay, ntinyami sunti umuda.
Ya hwe no.
Onkumwa.
So mo de pe.
Ache so ti asofo ye kwa. Enen so nyame de ache. Nyame wa ye bi pa. Onye bi ma okra. Since Monday, ebe pe me ne Friday there. Na nyame aye bi. Enti de bi ame meka say, I am in time ka thank God is Friday because we thank him from Monday ebe pe me ne. Enti ene Friday. Enti ede nyame ase. So the chat all the 5 working days. Let's say nyame wa ye bi pa. And then 15th of May 2020. So Ghana 2020 and here there. Enti me mo kwa ba. About rush hour song on him is live radio. We live on Modern Ghana. Wait me in live and clear so e wo ho amame. Over Facebook and so no one share here TV amame. And one so be like it. No one share amame. Enti I'm director Becca said stop the talk and do the do. Internet, I have a legend for you. Yes, a legend. Yeah, can't so our Ghana high into me in film. So the one quote papa. Sorry, so okay, so in the meantime, here they are said that Emma of Fa Clinic Limited, any FC cake bread, and Mediana Cosona, Edio Moa dance, Namedi Atro, Mediana Mammy, I'm a Jan, Fremia, Muminaka to the ice cream and so Medicina Medi Amao, it's all share, now would ye now like it, now share so Eddie Amame, so all is set, and so on. Maybe I'll pay a coaching about it, easy. It's ready, so I have for you with Takobi. And hello, Takobi.
Hello, mommy.
Good morning.
Blessed morning. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
By the grace of God. As you can see, Corona is keeping us isolated. So,
of course.
But
why a fresh grass?
But I say also I fresh.
So me that say, near share the announcement. I can see you far from home and Achiwashe baby.
Very far from home.
Oh, okay. To me, sounds so much about being about Russia was so when him is live radio and TV.
That's it.
Okay, to net and I am come to the CIA. Corona, I didn't want Baba Jimun so dear. One who sent a Jumani BBA Quacoye. 8 minutes here for and my chef for and I know we dear as you everything here. Whatever is about with Takobi, into Wadaroma, who is with Takobi?
Yo, me that say, first of Chiawoni with you, any that double, you know, giving this opportunity and have this TV. I mean, just like Tribute Takobi, is the stage name for Daniel Kwabnanya Morris, you know, been doing music professionally since 2004. I mean, started from the maiden edition of the Nescafe African Revelation, you know, have had a couple of albums, you know, with some other group members, and then I've had some solo albums as well, and so far, so good, you know, enjoying the journey, you know, ups and downs, and, you know, chalking the success and still moving on. Very optimistic and pessimistic at the same time. A performer and an entertainer as well.
Okay, yeah, what educational background of baby Sassel into Takobi Oko school Kakrana?
I'm in Takobi go school. Well, I go school and do a tribute, but Namiada Roba meet me with Takadi University as a building engineer, you know, HND building engineering or Takadi. I want to meet me Koko do it.
So I could be me who and maybe someone will say, HND power building engineering, Mona de Bay and Yom Tour.
Serious, so I had a catcher among for say. Me a musician. I never got the chance to choose who I wanted to come. Music choose me, but at the time now, Takwade, me went school now. Baby, muna the first album ever out.
Yeah, okay.
And you know, being school, no, me popular like I was a national treasure. My music was everywhere as a musician. Rather than as a student who had now finished school. And you know, I didn't even get the chance to say, okay, see, I'm in school, I want to pursue the music full time, or I want to pursue the HND building engineering. I started traveling, you know, when I was in school, you know, then I couldn't choose. It's like it had chosen me already. I didn't see that.
And then now focusing more on music, no?
Well, so kakra ebedi enti na no ye bri emoja ni enti no. So maybe you school na makako fro dan na mabo dan so ma na menya kakra na meto na menya kakra. Oh, what ka be to see
in that case, Obaka said in music be more easier and the fastest way of the business country ana.
No, it wasn't like more easier. Also, a calling.
All right. Also,
the mission said, I mean, me real school to become a building engineer.
Yeah.
But before me real school, na started I was getting paid somewhere. Like the music was already taking my time and taking me to places to go and serve. So I just said, and you know, though me real school, I became a building engineer, HND building engineer. Now I'm a musician.
Okay.
And you know, I was just continuing the line of duty that I think that the grace has chosen me to pursue.
And you want
also, I'm saying, you wait to say they will me because I said, I could have my talent. So I tell you. And you know, and I'm in charge of media, no.
Okay. Into about back to back, maybe but yeah, from 2004, no. Still now that's your current. Now it's a secret in here, then.
I think, sir, the only thing I cannot attribute it to just one thing, but
okay.
Some of the things that has kept me still going is the fact that Denyamisha now is shano. I know the but aside that, I think say humility.
Okay.
One of me, if I say it's not good to blow your own trumpet. Sometimes it's good that people will get to know you personally by having an interaction with you and that be but medium you'll be like me. I mean, you can tell say apart from the fact that there's been rumors of breakups in your man.
Yeah.
I have not been a controversial person. I've tried to keep my head straight with what I'm doing because I feel there is a greater win in what I'm doing. Say as a service person, and yet the person may know, but I said me what a message I was say me this be send it. Back vessel, yasmame. Say me
deliver
as MSLV. It is not about me or me being a star or anything. It is just about the service that I'm rendering. And Namicha, they like because I've just stuck to serving, minimum words. Yes, still I'm just trying to. I'm doing this. There's been challenges, but it's nice. It's making me grow. It's made me the kind of person that I have become now, and I wouldn't want anything more.
That's nice. ATC, you share with our Bobby no more. Obi so reggae, Obi so high life, Obi so hip hop. I feel the air crown me say okay. To me, one can say, and would you pa na with our Bobby? Oh yeah.
Yes. Me that's it. Question one of the most beautiful questions are. You cannot just answer it with just a word and answer BB. Okay. But I mean, I was born in Ghana, born and bred in Ghana. But I say high life here, yeah. So what I say, and high life is embedded. It's embedded in our blood.
Yeah.
So what I say, but the my example be to say for someone who has done reggae music and won awards with it, high life music and won awards with it, hip life music and won awards with it. It would not be very defined if I should tell you say be a just reggae artist because I sang Big Dreams, and I said be a high life musician because I sang Kotosa, and I said Bruny, and I said be a hip life musician because I sang Guzi Ganda and Abi. What I said. But I just see myself more as a musician. Okay. Like I said, it goes back to the original thing by saying, we are just a vessel to send a message according to, sometimes, it's just the inspiration, how it comes,
Okay.
So I said, I mean, I sure said, if Big Dreams had come in a high life format, it would have also been, so, find yourself me a high life musician, but still a versatile one.
Okay. So you're finding versatile, no? All right. Then from 2004, now the albums need be then. Albums need be 2004 album.
Okay. No? Yeah. So with my colleagues, we did big friends Anamontu album, and then Big Dreams was Big Dreams, Adonko, Guzi Ganda.
Okay.
And then your second album, and Burning Desire album, and then it had Burning Desire, Kotosa.
Yeah, that was 2008.
Very good.
Okay.
And then as a solo artist, I also had Selfless Bliss.
Okay.
And then God and Love.
Okay.
Yes, and then we came back to do the Brunya, and then I have a couple of singles out there which are also doing well. talk of the If I Get, Nyamia be featuring Bass Money, and all of those beautiful songs that are out currently.
Into my auntie, I don't go ni kakra. I don't go no. I'm
Sa auntie I don't go.
Welcome to Friday.
Sing along, kakra,
mama. Sa. You know, come on,
Okay, that's wake up and I'm on to who be.
Ikanamoto first album.
Yeah. Now yeah, about Burning Desire 2008. Now it's a Kotosano. There's a Kotosano so the G baby. Yenti.
To Friday.
From Ghana to London, and from London to Italy, from Italy to Canada, from Canada to Ethiopia, from Ethiopia to Israel, from Israel to Dubai. And it's just what he in him is life ready.
And it's a fact that I can't deny. Someone please tell me why. Me I feel very price now. Sa 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 to sa 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 to sa 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 to sa. Then what they cool me to sa 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 to sa 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 to sa 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 to sa. Then what they cool me. Yeah, bye. Yeah,
bye. Evergreen. Just say, and you need I evergreen, no.
Sa.
Okay, see, yeah, I'm back to, and then some call, near won't call away any business. So, no, yeah, sure. First, you can Wuta, be any say, Wuta, only a group, no me, you know, but say, I can Wuta, Kobia, or be a solo artist. And to how positively, just say, obey a solo, let me a wow.
Okay, so I think sir, it's been a roller coaster kind of journey.
Okay.
So I just because a roller coaster ups and down, papa.
Okay.
But I am Fatuma Medemani. Also, Oko Kolibua.
Yeah.
And I say Oko Hospital. Omo machine do on. Yet say. The auto one, almost the plug so I won't say echo up and down, say.
Okay.
Normally, no, say echo up and down, say now. That is what means say you are alive.
Okay.
The moment the bear flat safe and we will say why then we
Well, nice only hope you.
aha. And life now is full of ups and downs, and with the ups and downs, those are the things now we learn from it, and then we become better people.
Okay.
So but yeah. So I mean, for me, I would say because I'm a real person,
Yeah.
it's been good for me.
Okay.
It's been good for me because I mean, if I say a lot of people have been used to the group Wutano. So
Okay.
sometimes, I think that they've been hurt. I'm just being honest, they've been hurt for the fact that
Okay.
the group is no more,
Yeah.
or we are not serving them
Yeah.
the music. But so if I in that time, in those things, sometimes when I put the music out there,
Yeah.
it takes a longer time for people to actually, get to relate with it and all of that. But nevertheless, it has not really changed anything for me because I feel that the people who really want to listen to music and love music, when I put the music out there as a solo artist, they go to listen to it and they realize that, oh, it is as equally good as the two of them, and that it doesn't necessarily have to be the two of them. I mean, if it's the message, so once the message is good for you and the beat and everything, you can relate with it, it's good to go. You don't necessarily need it's your fan saying I mean pegu like if I say maybe our baby and I'm baby like on the money in the and I'm mean you understand, like
Yeah.
But I mean, it's just human nature. Sometimes when we are it takes a long time. It's good. But nevertheless, I'm still traveling to do my gigs. I'm still getting my gigs done. I'm still releasing new songs. I'm still shooting new videos. I'm building a new community.
Of course.
Ideally, if people could open their ears and listen more, they will realize that nothing is really lost because I'm still tuning out. Who beside director Mr. Double catch your beautiful songs there in there. Beautiful songs day in day out. So that's just a little challenge.
Okay.
If the masses could listen, say, Utakobi is still in the serving business. I'm still serving now. Maybe they would enjoy more.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong with eating kodu kakra, mango kakra. I mean, variety is the spice of life. And
okay, so you're saying that
I still listen. Amazing thing is that I still get to do music with so many other people in the world. I mean, I've featured Tiny, I've featured over the years, I've featured even Kwapna, I've featured thank you. You see?
Yeah.
Stop what I say. I as Woot and Polo, we never even did that.
Yeah, yes.
What I say, but as a solo artist, look at all of these people. And these are people that I also love their music. I feel certainly if I could have a collabo, I mean, my name is brother, I know I won't say that. Someone said that. But how would you feel if I should have maybe a song with Shatawale? How would you feel if I should have a song with maybe Medical? And I said, a Stonebwoy, or maybe some Nigerian artist or a different. There are so many other people I could do music with, and I'm still exploring.
Okay.
And, it's fun.
All right, so me pick assembly finaka. Okay, say nothing has really changed. Now I just say now so we talk about my group ni survive yana.
Oh, who can say? Not just say I'm not giving credit to where credit is due.
Okay.
I mean, I think a two-man job. Normally, there will be a friend who trade secret. Do you way and after do you way the can't the say and then you wanna banner. I will say, but if you listen to my music, as Wutakobia, you would notice that Wutakobi is giving out his best, and that it's got almost every element that makes a good song. And I know, maybe with time, maybe a lot of people might have not chanced on my music because Wutakobi, they don't want to listen. But those people who have also chanced on it to listen to it, they have never regretted, honestly. Yeah, so I encourage a lot more people to go and check it out, and they will know.
All right, 80. Sometimes do you miss the group? Mo may say mo each other.
I mean, me a human. What I say?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't have a problem with my my colleague. What I say?
Yes.
And it's just if I say it's just under 2 years or 2 years. But
Yeah. Okay.
what I say?
Yeah.
And I've been busy doing stuff.
Okay.
You know, Kasapa, I'm not even in Ghana. What I say? I'm in UK.
Yeah.
I came here for other things.
Yeah.
Music business and all. But Corona and and I mean, there's nothing happening all over the world. Like not many things apart from one more station. I'm watching entertaining everything. I know. There's nothing really. Nobody's doing anything.
Yeah.
So as I say, it's I mean, what kind of missing would I be missing? Not really though.
Okay. All right. So this just by the way, but okay, Assembly exactly 10 months ago say there's no way I'm over back.
Yes.
There's no
Waiting for water is like waiting for a ship at the airport.
Chai.
Well, the reason I give that scenario is that I personally have done all that I could do. I wish that there could be that, but it's kind of hard when you work with somebody now to make a choice. Okay, Charlie, this one there is not happening again. And for me, I don't believe in dilly-dallying with the feelings of the people because I don't do the music for myself. I do it for the market. So I can say, even though I wish maybe it didn't happen like that, Nyaka Sampuno, my bread with the go kakra come kakra go.
What bread? I don't cry
Nyaka
about.
Sampuno, my bread.
Okay, yentie bro nyakakra me yen sansom bra.
That's it.
I like the way you shake body. I get money. And then you bring my uncle. I swear I lie. So would you make sure you know the soul? Forget your word. I come to spend so much money.
Welcome to Friday.
Hey, just say onyom no menim ne anya de e na wo onyom ne nso menim ne anya de o.
Star ayanyum ya moja.
Okay, it's say I baba if I get so say I know that I hope say I know you ope.
I know you're my personal song. Solo song.
Solo ope and open other song. Okay, so before I make this about management names and some no bebre no I know controversy be bafa bronya you ho ba de yanko if I get one embra na ye me fair no to aso nti if I get You go past Shatta and Michi.
You go past me. You go past them, cry.
If I got you, if I got you, if I got you, hey, I go put my hand for you on a platter. If I got you, if I got you, if I got you, if I got you, hey, baby, I got plans, hey, see me on the way for that chance, hey, let's say for instance, hey, you and I go to hold hands, hey, baby, I got plans, so see me on the way for that chance, so let's say for instance, so you and I go to hold hands, so side by side, day and night, through the dark and through the light, I'll be yours forever. I don't need out of sight. If I got you, if I got you, if I got you,
Welcome to Friday.
if I got you, if I got you, if I got you, if I got you.
So me starting voice tutorials or voice training. Almost say me voice say. Okay, so with Kobe, and if I get to know I know your inspiration anyway.
Inspiration in there. I started from baby, I will do baby, but I'll tell you something. Also, the vice president of the Ghana Association of Songwriters, like I said.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, GAS, and
GAS,
you know,
okay.
music writing is one of my skill. You know, with my dear, and you know, I try to write songs. I brew some of the songs. Like I said, and I've been inspired by so many things in this world.
Okay.
Like I said,
Right.
I remember I've written a couple of songs, Gold, and some other song it has not been released. We released Gold out of the song, but when I wrote those songs, you know, I listened to some of my songs for like maybe 6 months or more before I release them, because when I write them, I want to listen to see if I'll get tired of listening to them.
Okay.
Before I put them out. If I don't get tired of listening to them, it means that when I put them out, people will not get tired of listening to them.
Okay.
It's one of the things that I do.
You do, okay.
And also, one of those times now, I was listening to those songs, you know, and I felt actually, these songs are so beautiful that would Ghana actually, is Ghana even ready for songs like that? Because, like, I don't know if there's this song called Gold. I have it out there. It's so beautiful. Like so I've been listening to it, and I was asking myself, so what can I do to make these songs, you know, stay fresh, and how am I going to promote? What am I going to do with these songs?
Yeah.
Like I said, until one of those ahomatin, I've been doing it. Maybe I say, okay, Sika. Academic pan and camera. That's not to say we are probably in this car, but I understand who said how much money is enough.
Okay.
I just say because you are saying you know, and probably I mean you can say you honuma nkonya one CD pekeke anka or todo kuda ko okay.
Yeah.
Obi student hono ka be 50,000 bi di ko yi di container bia anka ono so you okay. You know, you see, different. What I say, but you know, you pesca, didn't know you pesca because of your doffo. A car, your doffo, be dintina. A kayan quan, Kayabianka, in a cocoa, Yanka, okay. Ebiana or Omami be, O Papa be, who near be, Yarofo O Baby. I just say, you know, you win your scar then I'll be, Mamma Jan, who win your scar then I'll be. If you get money, what you do?
A lot. There will be answer, mommy. You say marry. Make me some money. I can see. I am Wawa. Me fine, yes, sir. Me fine, yes, sir. But I have a whole lot in mind. Yeah.
So this is a song that is to inspire everybody that is looking for the money.
Okay.
Nevertheless, you know,
we
have to make some of those pronunciations to the people that we love. Say, Charlie, in Yesika, we will do this and that and this and that. I make an idea. Who said we chat? Me too quite but we call Canada.
Okay.
I will say me chat picture. Vancouver. Canada. I just said Yesika.
Oh yes. Okay. It's gold nekakra. Gold no. It's gold nekakra.
Welcome to Friday.
If I am reaching for, it must be gold. Shining strong, it must be gold. Last me a lifetime, it must be gold. Hey, durable, it must be gold. Hey, adorable, adorable. Hey, so lovable, so lovable. Hey, adorable, adorable. Hey, so lovable, so lovable. You must be gold, 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 you must be gold. Someone to die early for, someone to die early for, someone to die early for, someone to die early for. Many search to find you, dig deep to mind you, through the fire, through the fire, that is what you find you. Your love is so kind, behind it so childish, that I can't deny that I found me a sign. Hey, adorable, adorable. Hey, so lovable, so lovable. Hey, adorable, adorable. Hey, so lovable, so lovable. You must be gold, 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 you must be gold. Someone to die early for, someone to die
From Ghana to London, and from London to Italy, from Italy to Canada, from Canada to Ethiopia, from Ethiopia to Israel, from Israel to Dubai. Abusia Utie in Hymns Life Radio.
Ampa gold dear, yeah. Gold dear, yo. Gold. Me too, Mrs. Yeah, me fancho.
Sir,
Gold dear, yeah, very nice.
Mommy,
there.
Mommy, can't me show. We call interview with one presenter, and he told me say his favorite song, If I Can. And the reason was that Okachem said he was working with somebody and he was giving a car and everything. And because of that, no one can sign a car now, Kitano. Or the ma Nigeria.
Okay.
What I said, and you know, I feel like everything was nice for them. You know, and then along the line, you know, he lost his job.
Wow. Okay.
When he lost his job, you know, Omo je car no, eduma mu je car no, free ne ho. Nti car ne car de ne odi ne ono ne de na odi ama Nigeria no. Good. Now, when I one day or see you to kwan Kumasi na odi the oje the car ni oje Nigeria ne car no say on farmer no pa Kumasi. Unfortunately for him, onam kwa so kwa na customs for issue no me say the car na okita no. And yet registered properly. This is nipa na like otoka no no. Nipa na yet registered properly. And almost idea no so feel.
Okay.
Yes. And you know, he went to zero.
Wow.
And Namincha was Sanya Juma for after some years.
Yes.
And a company man a car. And he one day na year air co baby and a you say Kaunya car on fa the company car and man and farm and combra.
Yeah.
But now company car you know to me for money, you know, and you know catch and say a company car will be who with sack and why I will lose it Juma also. But trust me, a she no say when to me and fakana money, you know. And a she no say I go one pa chitibi no ko car.
Yeah.
I saw money in car, but and then only car, you know, like if I get a person money, you know, say onya that you nya dia be man no.
Wow.
But many practices, and those are some of the testimonies that when I hear about the songs that I do now, which means say, well, one cast out the story, we are all said it.
So far, we know Nadia. Okay, Tiambra collaboration episode. So, only what Chiame Kwame Brani say no.
I know, me. I know your colleague, you know.
I know your colleague name. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry about that one. Sorry for the correction also. Okay.
That's fine. That's fine. I don't know why a lot of people feel say it's me, but I know.
Okay, that's just by the way. Tiambra management side, no. Management.
Right.
Yeah, we says to Takobi or management team, and
yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so Karen, you know, Takobi is Takobi music.
Okay.
It's now music.
Please, I didn't get that side clear. Also with who, which music?
Utakobi music.
Okay, Utakobi music. Okay.
Yes, which is my personal
okay.
Indie label.
Okay.
You know, but I work with a couple of, you know, guys and a manager.
Okay.
You know, we are still working things out. Also, fresh, and you know, there's no rushing, making anything official. But Utakobi always has a manager who deals with him.
Okay. Now, yes, I say back could be saying now, NKZ or say, Emma, by I say, your brother than a crown pono, no, if it's a campo. Yes, I'm crab at one sem to say, Emma, who's a 70 or crab, baby, and as say, Uncono. And a tiffy, Nipacrona and Tom, that was from Guru. So, how true is that?
Yeah. There's truth in it. I mean, we were signed as Wuta, me and my name is colleague in 2017.
Okay.
Yes. It was a 3-year deal.
Oh, okay.
But I said along the line, Anna, group, you know, call like you know, a break you off you, and you know, I said a bridge contract. What I said. I don't want to go into the details of it, but the Guru can be there. It's like that, and for me, every time that issue comes up, no, all I want to say is thank you for you know the NKZ music, you know, for coming to our rescue when we needed somebody at the time, because Yafan said. And then who said TTB na producer this time producer new. But I say into so we musician now unya obwa obia. You have to be grateful. And you obia na nya obwa for. But I say and times have changed. This time, you know, when you do music, you have to shoot very expensive videos and promote it and pay DJs, and you know it's hard. And unya obi. Not to talk of a fellow artist. Come on. Why are there pa? You are just saying, you know, Guru near NKZ family there. I'm always indebted to them. Honestly. It's rather unfortunate that it's not the two of us and I have it the same resentment to have continued this journey. But I still keep, you know, I still keep them in my heart, and I'm always gonna be around or you know, whenever they need me.
Wow.
And I still have relationship with them.
Yeah.
I mean, I might not be working with NKZ because you have a contract, but me and Guru, you know, has a good relation. Exactly. And you know. Yeah. And I thank him every day.
That's nice. Well, and Obi born in some Wahama, but Wintia. And yeah, what your chocho? Chocho, no by year, bay.
Chocho by 2010. I think say the first break, a buy, It's in Enumuna Mede release it. And then the first solo single as a solo artist.
Wow, and I say Mebo.
It's another brand new year, Lord. From Mutako be the lady's man. Never know you are all that a man want. And I just can't stand to lose you. Girl, you work your therapy. And now I got you one more. No say for baby. Now they do ya for baby. Oh, back to the dancer. I am big Dana. But they are chain. And now that treat you up the back. Say what do them I tell you, girl, wait for me, Chocho. Chocho, what's so much Chocho? Why you girl, wait for me, Chocho. Chocho, what's so much Chocho? Chocho, 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 Chocho,
Oh yeah, versatile. Okay, so this very one is a what's first single.
The first solo
as a
single.
solo artist. Oh, okay.
So
Oh, nice one.
Yes.
Okay, and we still time be break. See, I am right industry no more kakra. And maybe say what the check from 2004. Ever in 2020, you still current. Untre mujina on our sister.
that's it.
It's not me besides
Hey,
yeah, share Ghana near music industry, says yeah. What the Sabre is it still helping? In fact, in music, in today's music,
I mean, a lot of things has changed
Okay.
over the years. Some has come as a surprise. Some too, we saw it come. I come from the era of cassette.
Oh, yeah.
What I say, you see, so not cassette in the world no more. People buy cassette.
Yeah.
You release your albums now. They buy the cassettes. Even to the extent that there was times that like your album now, you give it to a distributor and then they give you front money.
Okay.
And then now the child now and then the things, and then it changed to the CDs.
Okay.
And hey,
Cassette CD.
You see her,
Yeah.
change to the CDs, and then it went to digital sales.
Yeah.
Where you buy the music online.
Okay.
Within those transition, Ghana yentimi adjust it properly. And to the extent that now I was just streaming. Now people don't even download music again. It's just streaming because I mean there's so much music coming out a day.
Of course, yeah.
It's focused better than me like I remember
I am mad. They be deleted.
this time you stream it, you stream it. Then you go and play it from there. That's it. So they are Ghana yentimi adjust properly because nanka say be ska we go to need that to CD and cassette it was okay for us, but it's because digital sales on our online. So I mean, look at the literacy level here. Nipa him put a Visa card.
Hey. And no grandpa for baby crying be.
You found that Nipa Himpo they want mobile money.
You see you.
What I said.
Yeah.
And even for people, even for someone like me, mobile money, sometimes they are not many house because I have been tried to like for 5. I try some best scamming me for mobile money. So yes, I even have them on my YouTube. I record them because I noticed that they were trying to scam me. And then I record the conversation with them and I upload it on my YouTube. You know.
Yeah.
So like people are not comfortable with all of those new systems of spending money or using money to buy stuff online.
Yeah.
Just a handful of people.
Yes.
It's that transition there. It's been so hard.
Wow.
Anna, to see also know as a now near the amount for free downloads.
Free downloads. Yeah.
It's Ghana there. Who release Numa when you say a free because there's no way people are buying. Nobody is buying music. You just who release Numa and there. You give it to about 10 to 20 music sites for free downloads. Tisaka, people don't even want to download it.
No,
because
they go there and listen. They go there and listen straight. Then they come. Okay, so now I come here. I said this time around. Now I say, and yes, show be na bebo, and I say program be near over to so there. Now I say all the discussion ni mo scanning somebody.
Let us say, oh, a bet pa. So we now we trade ya. So it's hard, but then there's also the good side. Say, it's about time. So we also try to look outside the box.
Okay.
You know, because with time, you know, I mean, Obia or Nembre, as I said, ABR, back in the day, there was 5 to 10 years ago, no, most of the shows never was what I said. But now new crop of artists have come in, and the appeal for them, no, is very high as well than us. But if we are also able to expand our market scope now, then we get to travel to places like America, Nigeria, London, and other places now. They are able to buy the music or stream the music by using the credit card because some system is set in place. So those are the transitions that has happened. Ideally, and Ghana yetimi catch up with that kind of system. You will instead of the free downloads, okay, but I don't know when that will happen. And mobile money, I don't know when will be able to access it. I don't know deep job. But eventually we will get there. You know, it's just, you know, and if radio stations could also start logging music, if TV stations could also start logging music, like wherever music is being used, you know, if people are paying for the services of the music that they use, Nagam so to me, I tell I say the way our more collective would do. How many times your music has been played now? I think it would be much better.
Okay.
That's what I say. Until we have a long way to go, but well, I mean, yet me for one day, then blame you. We are now.
Okay.
I think it's a collective thing. We are all involved. You are involved. We are involved. Everybody is involved. I'm sure we will make headway.
Okay. And I'm not for being so, especially more game ni more channel. No more can say do incentives now. Shut down fro say ebia utakwa be nyum wenti na ma wonya say sika we ana say nyum we amanfo say na tie ye ana say peduma we a waye nti na di sika we ma ba wo ha ne afro ebia 200 Ghana cedi yes also as incentives enunye. How what is your take on that? Because I'm a baby now pissed. A baby now say more be ample from say more incentives be because say be your money. Because who the real calculating your money for.
royalty collection in there. Ya catch you on papa. Ya catch you on papa. But I know, sir, they are doing their best. Honestly, for me, I try to think a bit of what is going on. You know, over the years, you know, the music has not really paid a lot.
Okay.
You know, unlike like, I mean, maybe I didn't notice, but like I said, it was time endorsement, corporate endorsement started coming up. When, you know, MTN started giving money to Samini, Glow started signing musicians, and as I said, it was time endorsement by Ciciano Abapa. Samsung is signing, a lot of people. I don't go, you know, and you said FDA and about the cabo said Charlie ka the more kasa. So I can say, and you know, and also all of the other avenues now musicians it's me and make his kakaka, but and also know it's going to just a little handful of the people. Yeah. It's hard for you to get such a thing. So let's just say Kofo Bibre Omatunu, they have not made so much. But need anyone who need anyone. I had to say also the chill say yeah, oh yeah, and go yes still now go because yeah. So the head thing, but I call it side no. Oh, soon be chill. We are sure say only musician you will area or start to so to you when and then start now hitting that.
There be okra guitar no dey now.
And yes, and yet easy. What I say, hey, yeah, but who mean die so if you also we do. So what I say, it's just imagine more 20 years, 30 years, 40 years ago, our main yakakra woman. Our many CCIB Omunia or Domodivero. It will say, be a gum for Qualatina, almost your mom, Kakaka, he says, Tena, wow, you're coming to Sukakaka. Would you want? Who are Badaya or the cassette? And yes, after all, yeah, this is Shan to the Indian, yes, you send away idea, actually. Say, yeah, we see ya, Gugua, yes, you beat me Nakaka or no more. But I didn't know. Obisu who mobi kika itinka tisiana ye wa hodina association ye boy anyum no. That is when we are supposed to make the royalties because that she say nya na ye go a o be ka say oh we bi no wa mbo bra bia onye ska no dey say ni as e bia na oye popular but we ska
popularity
it's you know akayetimis fixes our system now to be what is due at least and
now I only be there.
I think so. So I will need you two now.
No, say I would not now. So president there no abobra.
What you here? It's another mission, but because me share enunkwa me fair. Sisi anumpo there's a new thing, Alliance for Change.
Okay.
I mean, it's spearheaded by Reggie Mboli and so many other musicians are coming on board. We want that system to change, where musicians will get what is due for their works. What you are saying, no personal feelings. We want the system whereby the musicians will get what is due for their works. Radio stations will begin to log, and TV stations will begin to log. Whoever is using music will begin to log and pay what is due, so that musicians can get what is really due. So that at least we can see real figures. So that more business people, ba and no who say sika wom sika nanu nie 19 years just be about support here say na ye benya wo as no betimi aba support what I said na dey say who explain actually be say oh we are new spare say na benya wo because it's hard to see the figures What I say, oh hetia, and I have been shoes no when you Canada. One hetia just say, Usika on the shoe, what will you?
Okay.
What I say, but say at least we know now promote it. Not TV stations, no, not radio stations, almost log in. At least you get some back some money. So the channel, the Nipa now building Sikache would say, oh, if you are many say Shimwa, some I hate a crana, make me break even, and I make me about 30, 40%, 50% back of my money. Now, I hate it, yeah, if you will get in folds so that people can actually come and invest. When people invest, radio stations, presenters made the DJs made the when investors, because they see musicians, young Kasana, young Kasana, Sika, young Kasana, you mammy, I was so crana. Yeah, no, I said,
in this case, no, now let's make I say, any point or you my back, where we are, find your to on. And I personally, do you do anything aside music?
That is one of the questions I am so sad. What I say, it's so sad. I mean, anymore.
Yeah.
So many people. What I mean, fact, Obi to say, be a Stonebwoy any example.
Yeah.
Stonebwoy at his peak now.
Yeah.
Look at all the people that he is employing.
Yeah.
I mean, let me give you a fair idea. He has a manager.
Yeah.
He has a manager.
Yeah.
He has a publicist.
Okay.
He has a PA.
Yes.
Aside that, he has a DJ. He has employed a band. All of these people are getting paid. Obia auto atade or show bia ya auto atade. I just said the auto atade be didi.
Yeah.
So who rent speakers are system web show or rent speakers are now be didi. Obi renting konya, obi beton aduane, obi beton drinks. Look at the chain of people that eat when even there's one program. Program crab aqua. Look at the chain of people that get paid. Yeah, promotion, obi sube didi, obi artwork, obi didi, video, video, didi, engineer, didi, your guitar. Look at the number of people that get paid when because of just one music.
Of course.
So I got here. It's it is a juma. It's so big. Say, oh yeah. I'm not sure you will be able to do so many other things because if you are very active, now oh sorry, be an interview and the third matter, you have to wake up there, no bit traffic, send a way to maybe station on more and them. Now we are work TV stations and send our local studio and send why you man now be doing that at the same time? Why you man? Spot I say, it's Osha, and you know, and I'll be here. Nana me ya dum na onye ska umu a. Ubetimi be a business for flow on and chain.
Okay.
And sana wait me I run another business.
Okay.
Until the music comes first. But when you decide to do another business first before the music, why Juma? Wait, my teacher now to know time now. Be a here or say Bra Studio no. Now children colana dear. Where they are
okay.
So I just here. I mean, I've ventured into a transport business. I had taxis. What I said.
Okay.
And I was and I'm in this kind of toss I taxes down.
Okay.
The year, what I say. So you'll be able to open other businesses for people to take care of, and then you can make some returns. But one casa as a musician, to be a minimum and then in London. Why you man I meet me that so I just say it's unfortunate to say if say we a musician and you now we come because we base pan which mean you may be a but akoba ni sa Into the baby, I say yes, survive it. So what I say, we should change. We should change the question in the way say, okay, so apart from music, you know, we know say music is your full-time thing. Like, do you have any side jobs?
Side jobs.
And I said, you know, maybe another, and maybe it will make sense.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah. Okay.
But say
now the
now
same
we
time. Okay, I understand. Okay. Yeah.
But the person may be someone kasa. Who you apart from presenting, the do my baby now here now.
Me a petty trader.
We are entrepreneur.
It's another brand new hit, Lord. From Utah, be the ladies' man. Rubber don't do out that life I want, and I just can't stand to lose. Tell you what your therapy, and now gosh I want.
Who says from way far?
It's true. I can't answer from so thanks for the correction. It's true. It's never can say young to him say a full-time job. And you might be with me, and I won't you might be with you on China. What
Aha.
Okay, see, really want messages be away from James Clark. I say I salute you, Kobe. You are doing great till date. And I say evergreen. And service Dominic. I say live the show, like the show. And Jeffrey Daniels say Kotosa is the greatest of all. And on no answer, please can you do Guzi Ganda a cappella?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Obey you are more fat, go subai, a home brassier, to Wasia, Davin Chaya, Nanum Common, yeah, jet. Miami Guzi Ganda, where shall I wander? Upstairs and downstairs, in my little chamber.
Okay, and I say a cappella and the movie Sabe Brebe, I don't know, baby, we are not there, no giant. Team Philomena James say I'm glad I did not miss the show. Okay, thank you. And Jeffrey Dana say if I get money I go buy coronavirus for double.
Oh.
No crack up. No, Wuta is simply a great artist. More of them, bro. I say if I get money need a man for feeling. Henry Akofo said, I'ma tell him he did a song with my brother, Angler called Kokoti. Okay, Kokoti, and was dope.
Yes. Beautiful song. You should get it. Beautiful.
Okay. I said to Kakrao. I said
yeah, Okabra. Bro, what's your Okabra? Yeah. Bro, what's your who Sika Obi Bank? Who rent Obi Ferrari? Who a class Obi Varsity? Who Tama Obi Tabodam? Yeah, any Kokoti. Any Kokoti. Any Kokoti. Any Kokoti. But it's a Kokoti.
Wow. And Minim said Akuma Tony and Kobe Michael Hennessy say a good interview, thank you. And Benny Cobbs, yeah, administrator. Oh, see you do all my boss. Now I say no, hello, gospel artist and say who want to me we be Rebecca no one say later on. Because the gospel way they are very nice. Yeah, that boy no answer. But answer na major our corner maybe say any new project or the banner.
Yes. So for maybe banner.
Yeah.
Maybe Africa on the 3rd and I'm releasing Nyamia Ebi featuring Guru.
Okay, Guru. Yeah. Okay.
My plan was to promote it, but it's a quick 10.
Okay.
UK now come about my promote back. Oh, said, oh, you're right. 3 months when you since Corona, I take it, and you know, last week, and I'm releasing club. Oh, say you're summertime, winter. That is the summer jam. I know there is serious summer jam.
Serious one, pal. Okay.
With time, you know, a lot of music will be coming. I have a lot of surprises.
Okay.
And a lot of featuring. They should watch out. There's going to be a song featuring. I'm saying this is the first time I'm saying it.
Okay.
They should watch out for Utakobi featuring Kelvin Boy.
Wow.
And then Utakobi featuring Kel Songs.
Wow.
And then some other surprises. They should just keep their fingers
crossed. The KK artist for
Aha, what I said.
Okay, TNT Nyamia be now the last final word am I not just say Jawa ma.
Sure.
Someone you don't want my shine. Yeah. Atakwame da papuya dem. Adunti we yi ya pepem. Boy, I need to be just to say me. Oshini party say me. And them atija di dem. Hey, me ya come kwamo bon samankasa. Nipa da seni dia jifi ankasa. Uche ni tekuni simpwana so here video ankasa. O fompe benya kawa we ne bo wadaka. Boy, nipa no ubenya kamini kapre yemo pa no agesi fu benya ke ya hwe asia no mo hye da so mo de pim mo chupan ke be hwe tim onyamia ebio
ishira we ebuso sa nanso atamfunya yakawuta susra ishira sorry, you are sorry, no, yeah. Your bell say you was it. Your bell say, oh, yes, you. Your bell say, yeah. On and on, sorry, what then, Jim was it. Your bell say you was you. Your bell say, oh, yes, you. Your bell say, yeah. On and on, sorry, what then, Jim was it. Sorry, one catch it for you. 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 Obi daya wan sorry. Obi sorry so oyari. Obi yari so obi kwa kosha. Lord abasi. Foul to me so. Na ondu kamoda. Foul to me so. Nekti nekida. Foul to me so. Na ondu kamoda. Foul to me so. Hey, you franca. Sorry, you won't catch it, boy. Sorry, you won't catch it, boy. Sorry, you won't catch it. Sorry, you won't catch it, boy. Sorry, you won't catch it, boy. Sorry, you won't catch it.
Welcome to Friday. Welcome to Friday.
Nyamia ebi ampa wayebi enti ye fa club na nso so ai ye da nyamia so na ne ye na se enti
sa kamaja.
Welcome to Friday.
She's up all night. She's feeling the move inside. She holds me tight. She's always by my side. She's up all night. She's feeling the move inside. She's always by my side. She's from Ghana. She wrap me up like banana. She twerk it up like Rihanna. She back it up and she out. She make a real line. She's from Ghana. She wrap me up like banana. She twerk it up like Rihanna. She back
Oni be pa wa ha say. Wow. Uta unchemo. Uta kwa bi unchemo.
That's it. That's it.
Unchemo cry be sound waba.
That's it.
So that's nice. So this club, Mr. Hey, club. We say yeah, kwa sama idea na say no. I can say band name kakra ne be left here my own. And then beaches na dey.
What you say? Yeah, I'm left the band name yes baby.
Yes, baby. That's a nice one. Okay, see. Nina that's pa say fro pa. Oh, Mr. say. Me director can say oh bye live say. Oh. Yeah, it's you. Ebi mo kra boy by from kra dey your me your mo kra kira no. But so 1 hour. Wait a minute na. Yes,
that's it. It was actually a privilege for me.
Okay, now you can humility now kind idea na che say. That's so pa. It's in this corona virus era fans for any abusuan for any obi aye show. Any tiefo yina then I will catch rain.
Yo, first of all, no, I want to say thank you, Mami Amacha.
Thank you.
In a long time, in your interview, this has been very wonderful for me, honestly.
Wow.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Like, who said?
Yeah.
I believe, said, when you know how to do your job, you don't need to thrive on controversies.
Of course.
This has been one of the most innovative and nice interviews that I've done. Like sometimes when you get on interviews to do with people, you want to create controversy. And it's not always the best. But look at this fun.
Yeah.
It has been fun from the beginning. And I'm so excited about it. God bless you for that. And then God bless your listeners as well.
Amen.
Please, they can share it for London, Hanomono. I think is the 5th highest toll of the affected corona people. It's serious, and people should heed to what the government is telling everybody. We should stay home. If you don't have any essential thing doing outside, we should continuously wash our hands with soap under the running water. Use the hand sanitizers. And please, the new thing now about the nose mask, very important. We should try. If once we get into the public, we should try and wear it. That's the only way we can protect ourselves, because there's no cure. There's no cure. So immune system is stronger. You will die. If I say a joker, you die.
Of course.
And when you die, for 26 point to me by way and 25. When you die for 26 point me about 25, that's what the government is allowing people into. Don't take it as a joke. I don't take it as a joke. But all the same, Utakobi is a solo artist. I have beautiful music out there. Go to my Facebook page, my Instagram page, my Twitter. Go type it at Utakobi.
Okay.
At WUTAHKOBBY, one word.
Okay.
Type it at Utakobia.
Okay.
You can subscribe, interact with me, send me messages. Let's interact. The fans, I take them dearly to my heart. And I have shot beautiful videos on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then I'm moving to media. I'm subscribe it with Utakobi Music or YouTube. Okay. Subscribe it. I mean, me fanya kakra wa na.
Kakra no
po. Ya me nyamba. Ai na manoso.
Ate Miriam me kwa message to be mama ye na ya kwa ko follow
we da say unya me pa Utakobi Music.
Yeah, say. Yes, that's a pass here from by Yamishrao. Okay.
She's always by my side. She's from she's up all night. She's feeling the warmth inside. She holds me tight. She's always by my side. She's up all night. She's feeling the warmth inside. She holds me tight. She's always by my side. She's from Ghana. She wrap me up like banana. She twerk it up like Rihanna. She back it up and she bounce.
Mr. Kobe, all the way from UK. Like I said, humility, no, let us so hard. You want to get to the top, you know, so bro, one say, that's the same one year. Now I am now the right way, no, now the right path, no, go to me fast. And then, let's make baby up and say, Mr. Ing, I go follow me at Mr. Kobe, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. You can get more interactive to him. On your more WhatsApp, your man, I'll message your mom reply. If you comment, you reply back. I know we've taken so much of your time. There's a time difference into Kenya or Ghana and so UK. Then a man about Sam. It's a Hanam did you median in ABC. Then I'm Dick and Kaya sit down. Emma of Clinic Limited. In this coronavirus era, Reverend Isaac Opoku, as I said, Open Human's Life International Church in Kwadia for offer clinic free. So you're a member of Human's Life Church. Yes, you have a show. Mr. Relocated at Abekala Pass. Sama station at Chewa. Then can you please chapel? The one I'll be offer clinic limited. So Arabia how we are say hepatitis, any form of sickness, gonorrhea, open say when your medical advice and answer medical counseling via for home measure amount. FC cake bread. Let's say brother Motompa and say I know what to be. Your quantum pony swinging now. And say I know what to be a coffee. Now there am I dende, papa dende, Eddie a mamma friend, and I will see your fear now. Besodula pass, company so on Tanta. Now person for up clinic from numbers with 0206 26 4472 and 0244 680 964. Samson Abet my friend FC Cake Bread. One so 0276 869 073 and 0202 672244. Also order 100 pieces. No fan and deliver more free without any additional charges. I will see you for me dance on him at night. From the hour of 11:30, every Saturday, why are they? I'm sure I'll share now. Share that's a pa. One with them commenting to buy in. I am in Shramon. Now what's on Tremushi. And then Friday, young what you are the best answer. I best start a new way. And you see when you're minty, we will still come back alive and cake it. That Dr. Double was saying. She said you made it now. The man who me live over Facebook all the way from UK. So you who James Clark, so for Lafia, and so I'm mobile Mechido, and I'm Leicester 1. Some is showing YouTube name, and then no find check. Started from Monday, my bonus so it's Marco follow on a public bro, so at the mamma, and you'll be bomb Mechido, and my next show, yes, success. The animal, I'm a jam, frame through the ice cream, I made just so yeah, queer. Now, what you are that? Yes, I'm so sure. Or Russia was. I'm sure. Don't count. Happy and a blessed weekend.